How to remove Trojan virus in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove Trojan virus or any kind of virus that is affected to your PC and how to remove it. So first of all, you need to go to the Windows search bar and search for virus and threat protection, and here you can see the option virus and threat protection. You have to just click on here, and after clicking on here you can see there is a option called quick scan. You can just click on quick scan and you can just turn on the virus and threat protection settings from here, and you can also look for protection updates from here, and you can just click on check for updates, and you can also see the ransomware protection, no action needed. Manage that. You can also manage ransomware protection. You can just turn on it, and after that while the scanning is complete, if you find the exact file or the malware, you can just click and delete the file, or you can just restore the Windows or just reinstall Windows on your PC. And as you can see, there is no threats or zero threat found, so we don't have any problem like that. And you can just click on turn on for the virus and threat protection settings. Tamper protection is off, your device may be vulnerable, so you can just click on turn on from here. And you can also use some third-party apps to remove the Trojan virus or any kind of virus. So I'll recommend you to firstly uh, check and turn on all the options on virus and threat protection on your default device. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.